everyone. Happy Monday. I had a great weekend. I hope you did too. Got first coat of black paint on the front of all the cabinet doors. They're looking great. I'm loving them. Carcasses are done. Drawers are done. It's just a matter of time now before I can get the second coat on and let that cure and wrap that baby up. Got all my blends ready to go. I've got 50 shades of walnut happening here, which is actually what I named my vlog post for last week, which is processing right now because I got that done this morning along with a whole bunch of other admin. I'm just kicking peaches this morning, people. So this week's focus, getting this tabletop done. I mean, it has a lot of sanding to be done and then stain and then, clear coat. And the cure times on all that are going to take a while, so I'll probably still have this for another week, but getting there. Also, hang on. While the stains and clear coat and all that is curing throughout the week, I'll probably do a coat right before I leave for the day. And I have all the materials for the next order, which is that bar. It's going to have a chevron pattern of faux pallet wood, as I'm calling it, which just means that I am going to take new wood and make it look like pallet wood, but nicer, because, it's not going to have all the crap in it that a lot of the pallet wood in my area gets. So that's going to be really nice. It's going to have 3 taps on this top backer part of it, and then you'll fit 3 kegs underneath along with the CO2 and all that good stuff, and I've got all of that. I'm super excited about that one because I might end up needing one for myself when all is said and done. Okay, I'm going to stop talking to you, and I'm going to go get some shit done. See ya! If you were thinking, oh no, Marissa forgot to do her end of day stories. No, I did not forget. My day is just finally wrapping up now-ish. I had a very ambitious to-do list today, and I have to say, I put a pretty damn impressive dent in it, so I'm thrilled with that. The good thing about being full-time is that anything I don't do today, there is always tomorrow. So, I am gonna head in and be done for the day, and I will see all of you tomorrow. So have yourselves a good night. See ya! Good morning, everyone. Happy Tuesday. I'm on the road again, but really, heading in there. Let's see who thinks I can go in and have self-control and just buy what's on my shopping list, and who thinks that I am just a weak human being and I'm going to wander into the tool aisle and spend far more money than I ever intended. Let's see what y'all think. I'll see you guys later. Bye. Okay, first of all of you who said, nah, you weak, you suck. Just kidding. Second of all, I did really good. I got just what I needed, which was stuff for the new drying racks that I'm going to be making to help with the next order that I'm building. And the main reason that I didn't do any extra shopping was because I was frustrated because I was looking for some masks. You see, I ran out of dust masks back in February. I know, great timing. I really haven't needed them though because I have my respirator and that's been fine and been working with it. However, I have an apprentice now and I need to be able to give him a dust mask in order to protect his lungs. And I can't get them anywhere. Every time I ask places, they're all like, oh, they're right there. And I'm like, no. Not the COVID ones. I need dust masks. There's a difference. And I get it. They've been reserved for healthcare workers. That's fine. But what about us who this is our business too? We kind of need these, Totally not knocking healthcare workers needing them. Absolutely 100%. They deserve them first above all else. The thing is, I know that there's a lot of people out there who started hoarding these masks real early on, and you're all just sitting on them. Not all you, but those people out there. But can you guys, start donating them to local woodworkers or something like that? Because we need masks too, and we can't buy them anywhere. And, we're trying to keep our small businesses afloat, but we don't really want to die in the process. Little dramatic, I know. But still, come on now. Okay, I'm going to go do some work. I'm going to go get all this fine dust in my lungs now. See ya. The underside of the table is completely sanded. I just branded it. And remember I said I was going to be adding a little emblem design thing to it? Well, boom. I'll probably do a video tomorrow showing exactly how I did that, but it looks so good. Okay, see you. I'm done for today. Stain is on the bottom of the table, and quick and dirty adjustable drying rack is up. I'll probably make another one of those tomorrow. Hopefully get first clear coat on the bottom of that table tomorrow as well. I'm just kicking peaches, people. I mean, I don't know what you're expecting from me, but this is what you're getting. Mask lines and all. It's not much, but hey, it's what I have to offer. Okay, I am gonna call it a day. I'm gonna go inside, have a nice dinner, relax, and then come back out here and kick ass again tomorrow. And I expect you all to do the same. So I will see you all then. My apprentice will be here. Super excited about that. I don't even know what I'm gonna make him do yet. Probably finish those bottle openers. Yeah, he needs to finish that shit. Let's go. Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye. Morning everyone, happy Wednesday. My apprentice is here and he is already hard at work sanding those bottle openers, which is good because it's really gonna get those done because I'm sick of looking at them. Today I'm going to be starting the bar, and I have a whole bunch of 2x4s that are gonna be the framing for that. So the first thing I gotta do is plane off all the rounded edges because I'm not looking at those ugly rounded edges. Home Depot can keep their crap. What I'm gonna make is gonna be pretty. And when I'm done with that, I'll probably make another one of these. My plan is to add more French cleats over here, and that way there I can make these adjustable and I can just put them wherever I want along there. So if I have something long, I can just set them up wherever I need them. That's the benefit of doing the French cleats. I will share more about this week, but it's just a 2x4 with holes drilled out for 3/4 PVC and a French cleat on the back, and you do each one individually so you can set them up wherever you need to. Okay, I'm gonna go get to work. See you later. Bye. If you've ever wondered how much crap is on Home Depot 2x4s, these look nice and pretty, but all of this had to come off of it to make it look good. For reference, that is up to my knees. That's pretty bad. That's a lot of shit. Done for today. My apprentice finished all of his bottle openers. We're gonna bring those in and get tung oil on them. They're looking pretty dang good. We got all of the 1x4s prepped and ready to go. So tomorrow I will get the chevron pattern cut out of all of those, and they will go on the framing, which of course I'm already using it as another workbench because, I mean, hey, you put something in my shop that I can put things on top of, boom, instant workbench. It's just how it happens. I mean, proof, okay? All right, didn't get a coat of clear on the table yet because the stain, that's what it's called, is just a tad bit too tacky, so I will let that sit another night. Tomorrow, it'll hopefully get that on it. Those will all get stained. Everything in here just will need no dust. So if I can't make any dust, then what the hell am I gonna do? I mean, this is a wood shop. I don't know. I guess we'll cross that bridge when we get there. I also did not make another drying rack yet, although I will be definitely needing it to put out all of those pieces of stain. So, I think I know what I'm doing tomorrow before I do everything else. Okay, you guys have yourselves a good night, and I will see you all mañana. See ya! Morning everyone, happy Thursday. We're gonna be back at it today. My apprentice is here again. We've got the bar laid down flat. What we're gonna do now is take all of these 1x4s, get a 45 cut on one end, and then we are going to attach them right on here in that chevron pattern. Then once they're all attached, we're just gonna flush cut them all. So we only have to do the angles and math. Well, math, I mean, it's 45 degrees, how much math is there? But we really don't have to do any math. At that point, we just make the cut, attach it, cut it. Boom, nice and easy. So much easier than the way I was planning to do it, where I was gonna like cut everything out individually and then stain them and then put them on a drying rack. No. You're getting installed, you're getting flush cut, and you're getting stained in place. Yep, that's the plan. I'm sticking to it. Anyway, I'm gonna get to it. We're gonna get clear coat on this today because this is ready to go. Pumped about that. So hopefully we'll get stain on this. Anyway, see you guys later. All right, that's a wrap for Thursday. We've got a ton done today. I mean, a ton. Clear coat, number 1 is on the bottom of the table. And are you ready for this? Yes, that's just cardboard on top. Just using it to get a feel for how it's gonna look when I do the top on it. Apprentice today did a fantastic job cutting all these angles. He would cut them, bring them to me, I'd install them. I mean, come on. We got a bar here, people. Like, I need one of these for my house now. I am loving it. So tomorrow I will probably get stain on all the individual pieces. Yeah, and then we'll go from there. I gotta do some trim work on it around like wrong direction. I don't know what I'm doing. And of course, make a bar top for it. But anyway, I'm done for today. I will see you all tomorrow. See ya. Good morning, everyone. Happy Friday. I have to admit, I slept pretty terribly last night because in my head, I was just installing more chevron pieces, just constantly. I'd like wake up and I'm like, oh no, I installed it. I can go back to bed. I'm like, what the hell is that? I don't know. I'm sure I'm not the only one who has suffered from a night like that where you just like, I'm just gonna keep working. You know, I used to work at Dunkin' Donuts. Like, that was one of my first jobs. And like my first few weeks there, I would make coffee all night. Like medium ice, regular, medium ice, French vanilla, 2 sugars. Like, why do we do these things to ourselves? I don't know. It was miserable. But anyway, I'm gonna work on getting the top done for that today. Work on getting stain on everything, another clear coat on the table, maybe some paint on my cabinet doors. I just want to let everything dry all weekend and really cure so that I can come out and kick some more peaches on Monday. All right, so I'm gonna get to work. I'm gonna go make that my bitch. I'll see you all later. Have a good Friday. Bye. The bar is completely sanded and vacuumed clean so that there's no dust on it whatsoever. And now it's time to start staining. So I've got 3 different stains here. I'm just gonna start with one of them and just pick different pieces at random and stain it with that and leave some of them on a little bit longer and wipe some of them off sooner and just kind of, so it'll just kind of create different levels of weathering between the 3 different colors and the different, you know, time that they're allowed to soak in. So should give it a nice dynamic. The top for the bar, I got it glued up this morning. That's the underside of it. That'll probably wait till Monday and then I'll start sanding it and all that good stuff. Staining takes so long, especially when you're doing 3 different colors and you gotta get inside little nooks and crannies. Oh, and your gloves will surely rip off. The, you know, thumb and index finger, they just tear right off and you put on a new glove. Same thing, but at least I got it done. I'm done for the day. And I don't know if you know this, but today's Friday, so I'm done for the week. It was really, really great week. Got a ton done. Definitely getting spoiled with those couple of days with the apprentice. I hope that continues. But it is also nice to have my days to myself every now and then to do some other stuff. Got a second coat of paint on the back sides of my cabinet doors. This is about half of them. The rest of them are in my house drying. I don't know why I'm doing it this way. It's just, I like to do things the difficult way. Table, underside of the table, second coat of clear on it, and what? Yeah, I stained it all. Got the top glued up. It's ready to go. I'll have to cut it to final size, do some other stuff with it, stain it, and all of that. Yeah, buddy. I'm really happy with it so far. I sent a picture to the client to make sure that she's happy with the colors so far. So, assuming that she is, we'll go forward with everything else. If not, I will work on that. But one thing I wanted to talk to you guys about. I know I'm a little late to the general finishes party here, but I did use 3 different types of general finishes stain on that. The table itself has the spiced walnut from them, and the clear coat that I'm using is the Armor Seal, and this is my first time using it, and I have to say I am really, really impressed. It went down really nicely, the first coat. Just really impressed with it. It's definitely going to be something that probably becomes my go-to going forward. Having said that, for those of you who are very experienced in your general finishes and Armor Seal in particular, I'd love to know what it is you guys have for tips, tricks, best uses, things you won't use them for. So let me know. I'll put a little box here. Let me know your tips, tricks, best uses, things you won't use it for, your favorite way to apply it, all things like that. I'd love to know it all. I know I'm going to get 1,000 different answers because everyone's going to do something a little bit different, and that's okay because I'm going to pick and choose which things I want to then give a try in my own shop. All right, I'm done. You don't want to listen to me anymore, and I don't want to talk to you anymore. So, have yourselves a good night. You may or may not see me tomorrow. We'll see. I'm pretty tired, so I kind of need a day off, but whatever. Have a good night. Bye.